Tomatoes, nutrition facts and health benefits. Tomatoes are the major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. They are also a great source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. Usually red when mature, tomatoes can also come in a variety of colors, including yellow, orange, green, and purple. What's more, many subspecies of tomatoes exist with different shapes and flavor. This article tells you everything you need to know about tomatoes. The water content of tomatoes is around 95%. The other 5% consists mainly of carbohydrates and fiber. Here are the nutrients in a small, 100-gram, raw tomato, one trusted source. Calories: 18. Water: 95%. Protein: 0.9 grams. Carbs: 3.9 grams. Sugar: 2.6 grams. Fiber: 1.2 grams. Fat: 0.2 grams. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.